Say you're running a service-based business, but you're only open 9 to 5. You spend thousands on ads, the lead comes in, but the phone rang at 7:42 p.m. and the deal's over. That's where AI voice agents come in. Experts report AI agents will autonomously handle 80% of initial lead qualification this year, cutting your team's busy work by a third. Just look at CircleGym. They were missing too many calls, which also meant missing potential customers who wanted free trials. But then they used CloudTalk's AI voice agent to take calls, and they saw a 150% increase in trial booking. If your team isn't generating enough leads, the problem usually isn't your marketing. It's how slowly you follow up. The solution many teams are turning to is AI voice agents. Automated systems that call, qualify, and route leads in real time. So, what are your options? A must-have platform is CloudTalk, an AI-powered calling platform designed to automate lead qualification and follow-ups while keeping sales teams in the loop. CloudTalk's AI voice agents can call new leads automatically, ask qualifying questions, score responses, and route qualified prospects directly to the sales reps. The platform also integrates with CRMs like Salesforce, HubSpot, Pipedrive, and Zendesk, allowing lead data, transcripts, and call outcomes to sync automatically between systems. For lead generation teams, CloudTalk also supports workflow automation, missed call callbacks, cold lead reactivation campaigns, and real-time lead routing, ensuring no opportunity slips through the cracks. With pricing starting around $25 per user monthly, with AI voice agents available for about $350 per team per month, it's the best hit for SMBs and mid-market sales teams that want an all-in-one solution. Of course, some organizations are looking to optimize their whole teams in one go. They need just some of the tools, and that's where Observe.AI excels. Observe.AI focuses on improving the quality of sales conversations rather than automating them entirely. It analyzes calls using AI to identify patterns, detect customer sentiment, and provide real-time guidance to sales representatives. Their key features include real-time sales guidance, sentiment analysis, call scoring, and automated quality assurance, helping teams improve how they handle leads and increase conversation rates. That sounds feature-packed, doesn't it? They offer enterprise pricing, typically based on seat count and contact volume. So you'll have to wait until you actually find out how much you're paying. Bummer. And then some companies want AI to handle entire conversations from start to finish. For that level of automation, Replicant is another leading AI voice platform. Get the reference? Replicant's voice AI is designed to handle full conversations with leads, answering questions, schedule appointments, and transfer qualified prospects to human reps when needed. All the good stuff. Key features include natural language understanding, multi-turn conversations, automated call handling, and live transfer logic, making it possible to scale outreach while maintaining consistent messaging. This really does sound like a Replicant would. Replicant also uses custom enterprise pricing based on usage and call volume with no public free trial, which again, bummer. So why don't you try these tools yourself and see if you can join the success statistics? Go to the description below and find a link for a free trial and a demo. Also, let me know in the comments how you are adapting to AI-fueled lead generation in 2026.
CloudTalk.